Hi there, it's Alexandra with WTI, and if I were to ask anyone which color they believe represents femininity the most, a lot of people would probably answer pink. And I personally would answer pink as well, which is the reason why I love this lipstick by Maybelline New York. It is the Maybelline New York Super Stay Matte Lipstick in the shade Shot Color, which is shade number 325. This is the perfect fuchsia, and I really love wearing this lipstick. Sometimes I decide to wear subtle colors in my outfit and then provide a pop of color by applying this lipstick on my lips. Not only does it have a beautiful feminine color, but it also has an amazing formula that will last all day. It doesn't matter if you have some food, it doesn't matter if you have some drinks. You know that this lipstick will stay on. And one characteristic that is amazing as well is that although it is a matte lipstick, it will not leave your lips feeling dehydrated. Quite on the contrary, this lipstick applies very smoothly on the lips and also leaves your lips feeling hydrated as well. There is nothing not to love about this lipstick. It is absolutely amazing. And that is my point of view.